Hey, cohort 1, we're going to work on some decimal placements with numbers that have hundreds and thousands in them. So, everybody in cohort 2, say hi, cohort 1. Hi. Okay, we're recording the lesson that we did on, which day is Thursday, right? Thursday. Use that piece of paper at your seat. On the back of your Sharing Money page, you're going to record your answers of what you think this is. So, the very first question is 2 6500 times 10. Now, we did this thing with the museum. We know that times 10 is going to make this bigger. And we also know we're going to have a 2, a 6, and a 5 in our answer. So this has 1 0, and those zeros are bossy. So what is the answer going to be to 2 6500, and I need 10 of them? Now, first thing I'm going to look at is this. What's 2 times 10? Everybody, anybody?
20.
That's 20. And if you're cohort 1, you should be saying these out loud. 20. So I know my answer is going to have a 2 in the tens place. So who wants to make a prediction of what the answer is for this? What is it? Lewis. 26.5. Now, this is taking 2 times 10, which is 20. This is taking 60 cents times 10, which is $6. And this is taking 6 pennies, think about that, or 5 pennies times 10 would be 50 cents. So all you need to do is take the number and increase it by 1 place value. Done. You're moving the digits over. It's easier to move the decimal, but really you're moving the digits. So our new answer is going to be moved 1 time. There is 1 0. We're going to do another one. This time we're going to multiply it by 100. Same question, but this time we're multiplying by 100. I want you to write down your prediction for what the answer is going to be. There are 2 zeros. And 2 times 100 is 200. So you know you're going to have a hundreds place. Write down your prediction, please. Prediction is what? Cruz, go. 265, a whole number. Let's check it. Okay, 2 times 100 is 200. I have 60 cents times 100, and we're saying that's $60. And we have 5 pennies times 100, and we're saying that's $5. Let's see. So I have 2 zeros, so I need to move 2 place values. Here we go. This is times 10 times 100. Is Cruz's prediction correct?
Yeah.
Booyah, it is. 2 places, 2 zeros. And it's getting bigger because we're multiplying it. We're making it 100 times bigger. Third one, we're multiplying by 1,000 this time. All right, multiplying by 1,000. That means it's going to increase how many place values? Thank you, Anna. She said 3 place values this time. All right, those of you in cohort 1, you should be having your answers written down on the back of that paper. Cohort 2, what is your prediction? Or cohort 1, what is your prediction? Henry? Sloan, do you have a prediction? Lewis, what's your prediction? Okay, he's saying it is. Now you're like, oh, Mrs. Atkins, I can only move it 2 places because there's only 2 places after the decimal. Guess what? You can add zeros. Those poor Egyptians, remember, they didn't have zeros in their number system. This is when the Egyptians were like, we need a 0. This is when they had to figure out they needed a 0. First of all, I know that the whole number times 1,000 is going to be 2,000. So I know there's going to be a thousands place. And I have 3 zeros, so I need to do something 3 times. So watch this. I'm going to go 1 place, 2 places. Oh, 3rd place, but there's nothing there. So what am I going to put there? 0. 2,650. So let's see. Let's move it. What did I just multiply by there? Times 10. And what did I multiply it by this time? That's 100. Now I need to go one more place. And oh my gosh, my number's gone. And what do I have to put here? A 0. Our number gets bigger by 3 place values. Now, shift it up. Let's look at our examples here. Here we multiply by 10. So we move the decimal point over one spot. Let's see if I can do it. It's not bad. I can't. I thought I could. Nope, can't. So I move my decimal point over one spot because I multiplied by 10. That's times 10. Here, I moved it twice. 1, 2. That's times 100. And the last one, 1, 2. Oh, there's nothing there. What should I do? No, I'm not. Get rid of it. Can you believe that, cohort 1? They said to get rid of it. Oh, Anna just called Lewis out. No, we have to put that 0 in there. This is times 1,000. 1, 2, 3 zeros. It's all about the zeros. All about the zeros. Okay. Now, it's like a game show. Okay. Now we're going to divide. So what's going to happen to our numbers if we divide by 10? Is it going to get bigger or smaller? It's going to get smaller. We see some super weird decimals right now. Okay? Some super weird decimals. So here we go. Predict what the answer is going to be. We are sharing this with 10 friends, just like we did with the museum question. We have $2.65, and we're sharing it with 10 friends. It's going to be a super small number. Write your prediction right now. Your guest teacher is going to be walking around making sure you have pencil to paper. May write your prediction, please. Anna, what's your prediction?
I'm not so sure. Like right now, I'm trying to think.
Okay, Alex, what's your prediction? 0 and 265 thousandths. Okay, first of all, Anna, I know that your prediction's on the right track because the number's getting smaller, isn't it? Excuse me. And this says we need to decrease by 1 place value. So, I need to make this smaller. So if I go this way, what am I doing? Oh man. If I go this way, what am I doing? I'm multiplying it. I'm increasing it. So this is my original question. I need to decrease it by 1 place value. So guess what? Alex is correct. It is going to be this. Now, can I put a 0 in front of it? Yeah, it just says, hey, I have no whole number, Mrs. Adkins. So that is correct. This is where we're going to get some super weird decimals now. All right, next question. Now we're dividing by 100. Wow, got some animal sounds going on in here. Write down your prediction. Are you seeing this pattern? It needs to decrease by 2 place values. I'm going to walk around because I see kids not writing. It's going to be weird. All right. I am sharing $2.65 with 100 people. They're not going to get a whole lot of money, are they? Very, very little amount of money. So how many places am I decreasing this by? Maddie? 2 places. You ready? 1. 2. Now what do I need to do? I need to put that 0 in there to show that place value. There it is. So now I would round this and say each person would get 26 cents. There'd be a little bit left over, but that's okay. That happens sometimes. Okay, last one. Here we go. This one's going to be super duper weird. We're dividing by 1,000 this time. You're going to have to put some zeros in. Give it a shot. Pencil and paper. Pencil to paper. This is one of those things, at least. All right, prediction. And you can use the word point in your prediction, okay? Cruz, you got the pattern now. Okay, go for it. What do you think it is?
0.002 cents.
2, 6, yeah.
2
It's gonna be like 2 cents, yeah, but I have to add the 6.5 in there too. That's part of the place value, okay? But you're right. Each person's gonna get 2 cents. Yippee! Right?
Not even. It'd be like a cent. Because
Yeah.
0.002.
Right. Okay, so let's do this. I need to divide this by 1,000. I need to move it how many places smaller?
3.
3 zeros, 3 places. Here we go. 1, 2. I'm gonna put that in so I don't forget.
3.
3.
4.
Cruz. Awesome prediction. All right, folks. Now let's just take a look at the final pattern. You can see every time we divide it by a multiple of 10, the number is getting smaller and smaller. And I want to go back to what Cruz said. Cruz has a great segue for this. In this situation, each person would get around 26 cents. In this situation, each person's going to get
2.5 cents.
2 cents. This is wrong, isn't it?
Yeah.
My answer's wrong on here. I typed it wrong. In this case, every person's gonna get 2,000, it's not even a cent. Because this is the penny thing.
You don't have a currency. That just really sucks. So you just throw away the money.
Well, someone would get rich somewhere. All right, thank you, cohort 1. You're gonna be working on the next thing. And your guest teacher will let you know what it is.